Welcome to SQL Server consolidation demo on IBM X3850 M2 server. We start out by showing you the task managers on the three servers in this demo. The bottom server and the top right server are the two hosts in the failover cluster. The top left server is the virtual machine running an OLTP workload. Showing the Hyper-V manager on the top right host, showing the failover cluster on the bottom host. In the virtual machine, I walk you through the performance monitor counters to show the OLTP activity that's going on. You see the process utilization, transactions per second, user connections, and batch requests per second. We start live migration on the bottom host by right-click and live migrating to Athena 10, which is the other host in the cluster. See that the migration has started and is making progress. The progress is indicated by % completed on the screen. The virtual machine counters again to show that the activity is going on the virtual machine during the live migration process. You'll see the transactions per second remain steady. If we go down and focus on the bottom host, you'll see other VMs running on that host. And you'll see the other host in the cluster, and that has one VM running. You see on the top host that there's only one VM running over there. I'll show you the Hyper-V manager on the bottom host, and it shows the three VMs running on that host. I'll show you settings of the VM that we are doing the demo on. You can see 16 gigabytes of memory for virtual processors. We had two fixed disks in this configuration, one for the OS and one for the database server. In the network configuration. See the three different VMs running. Go back to the failover cluster and you'll see the live migration is progressing. Focus on the virtual machine now and show you the perf1 counters once more. Focus on the bottom host, you'll see the live migration is almost complete. See the virtual machine has disappeared from that host and it's appeared now on the top right host. You'll see if you go back to the virtual machine, you'll see a spike in the CPU, but then it settles down, and if you look at the transactions per second, it remains steady. The user connections have not dropped. The batch requests per second do see a drop but then they settle down. This indicates live migration is completed successfully.